Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my dear friends, as you already know that makeup examination dates are now announced by the VTU officials, and it is probably not probably definitely it is on the 27th of this particular month. So you have to start your preparation now itself, otherwise it will become very difficult for the students to cover that backlog subjects over there. So let me tell you, my dear friends, which notes are the best for this particular examination to click out. So first of all, you should refer the AZ documents. It is the most important notes are available on the Google itself, and also they have the Instagram ID over there, that is a documents. So these are the notes which you should prefer for these for the important questions of VTU examination, right? So these are the best platform it is. And also another one is the MIT notes, Maharajan Institute of Technology. So that is also a good one. But for the as far as the mathematics is concerned, so mathematics notes are also good on this particular platform, that is AZ documents. So go through AZ documents, notes are available. And also the applications which you should use in your cell phone over there. One is the VTU Connect. You can see your results, also you can calculate the CGPA, SGPA on this particular applications, and it should be in your cell phone right from the beginning itself. So next one is the VTU updates, and you will get the notifications on the daily basis on this particular applications. It is already available in the Play Store over there, right? Next one is, if you want some extra notes, so you can just compare AZ documents and VTU Hub also. So these are also the notes applications which you should have in your cell phone, that is VTU Hub, right? And also VTU library, if you want to keep in your cell phone, so you can kept these four applications in your cell phone. One is most important, that is VTU Connect. It is the better application, and VTU updates, so that you can get the updates on daily basis. Whatever the VTU release the notifications over there, so you will get the updates on daily basis, right? And AZ notes is the best platform. And my dear friends, and as you already know, I am making the passing package videos, so I will continue that one. So I will just make another video for the M1 passing package, as it is on the 27th of this particular month. So M1 video I will release very soon, so that you will get benefited from my passing packages also.